Good afternoon, everybody. I'm here to show you how to create your own course in Edgenuity. So it's April and we're looking at courses for next year, and maybe you decided you want to find a way to blend your classroom, do a little more work offline or away from the classroom and have kids do more work online at home. Maybe you want to do a full flip of the classroom or blended classroom, like I said. You can do it through Edgenuity. Certainly something we have access to, can be used. And you can do it for other purposes. Somebody asked to do some makeup, create a couple makeup lessons for students. You can do that through Edgenuity. Take a very small unit and do that and try it out that way. You can also do, say, a simple lesson plan. If you are absent, you want to do an emergency lesson plan through Edgenuity, you can do that. So there's lots of ways to go about doing this, and I will show you this in a series of videos. Since we have Screencastify with only 5 minutes each, I've got to keep these relatively short. So let's start off right now. So here's the opening screen for Edgenuity. You all have an Edgenuity account, even if you're not using it right now. It's just your school email and one of the basic passwords we use. If you have any questions about what it is, you can let me know. And again, this is a very simple tutorial. If you want to go into more detail and want me to walk you through it, I can certainly meet you guys anytime, one-on-one, and we can go over this. So here's the opening screen. If you want to create your own course, you go to Courses, and in the courses here, we're going to go to Manage Courses. That shows us a list of all the courses we can get in Edgenuity. One other thing to look at right now is Course Structures. If you're interested, that has a list of all the courses also, and it tells you exactly what's in each course. It actually shows you all the instruction if you want to watch a video and see how the teachers there are doing their videos for their Edgenuity classes. You can watch them there, but before that, we'll go to Manage Courses right now to create our own course. So hit Manage Courses, and we have a screen which lets us search for all of our courses. All the courses that we've created in Edgenuity for North Brookfield have the NBHS, or almost all of them do, have NBHS at the front of them. So let's say I'm an English teacher, and I want to find a English course to work off of. So let's go NBHS English, and just to make my search a little easier, I'll do English 9. And let's see what comes up here. And so here's a list of all of them. These are all the courses that we've created. The ones that say CR, Credit Recovery, they're a little simplified than the regular courses. But let's say I want to adapt my English Language Arts 9 course. I'm SRET, and I want to do a little blended or flipped learning. So I'll click on that, and that gives me the selects that course, and I go up to Customize. So Customize is what we do to create a course that is our own. So we hit Customize here, and now we're going to create a new course based on this course. So we click there, and wait for it to load. And this will again show us everything that happens in the course. So here's the course. It says Customize Course. This creates our own course. The good news is you can play around with this and then cancel it at any time. It doesn't save as you go through. But let me just quickly go through here. This is the name. We have to change our name. We'll do that shortly. The course and the entire course, if a student were to go through this all remotely, would be about 81 hours. It's actually less than that because they give a lot of time for quizzes and tests that don't take that long. There are 69 lessons, 410 activities. And here are the units. So we have a mythology unit, an Epic Heroes Quest. And again, you see this is a 9-hour, 14-minute unit with 7 lessons. This one has 9 lessons. And again, we go through, there's 5 lessons, then we have a cumulative exam, and then there's 3 more lessons, and 1 other cumulative exam. So it's sort of a year-long course, but we don't have to make it a year-long course. We can if we want to, but we can just decide to do maybe Fighting for Equality and Unity. Just use that course. I want to try that out and play around with Edgenuity in my classroom. Maybe I want to do one unit, and maybe I want to do it near the end. The other cool thing here is that anything you want to get rid of, you can just click off. So I don't want to do this unit, say. I click it off. Now it's the entire course. And you see the course has gone down to 69 hours. And if I want to go to mythology, it's now a 60-hour course. So that's how we change the courses that way. All right. So I will stop right now because I'm about to run out of time. And then we will pick back up on the next video showing you exactly how to go about modifying your course.